Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to show you the snipping tool that we've added to your OneLaunch desktop search application experience. So we here at the OneLaunch Technologies team feel strongly that a screenshot tool or a snipping tool is something that huge amounts of people use every single day digitally on their computers. So we wanted to provide an experience that offered a screenshot tool right from your OneLaunch dock. I know I can speak firsthand in my work that I take screenshots, or again, snips, whatever you want to refer to them as every single day. I take them to highlight images or things that I want my team members to be aware of. I can send them to my team members via Slack, our communication tool, or maybe in an email, or maybe even add them to PDFs that I'm working on, to Word docs that I'm working on, or to PowerPoint presentations that I'm working on. So screenshots are super handy to visually tell somebody what you're referencing or what you want them to see. So we really hope that you also enjoy screenshot tools, and you'll really find our convenient access to one via your OneLaunch dock super handy. So where is it exactly? Please follow my mouse top right on your OneLaunch dock experience to this icon that is a scissor icon. So to the scissor icon, you can hover over it, and it very clearly highlights that it's the snipping tool. So you're able to click it, and immediately you'll see this kind of feature tooltip or UI populates for the snipping tool, and it's got 4 different options plus a close snipping option. So you can close it and see it just gets rid of it there. I think you'll actually notice it's freezing my video software here. So you'll notice my face bottom left will actually freeze each time I click in because it's attempting to take, of course, a static snip or static screenshot. So I'm going to do that again. You'll see my face freeze. So hopefully it's flattering. But again, I'll click it. And the 4 options of different types of snips. Top left is a rectangular snip. Next is the freeform snip, which allows you to take specific screenshots in very distinct sizes and variation of forms as you see fit. The third is a window snip, which just takes a screenshot of the window that you have open and in focus. And fourth and final is a full screen snip of your entire desktop. So I'll actually show you an example of each. Let's start with the rectangular snip that's already in focus here for me. And I'll start top left on my OneLaunch dock and kind of pull down over my video here. Oh, yeah, not very flattering. My eyes closed. And I'll just pull that down and let go of my mouse. And you can see that we saw a flashing here in the clipboard history. So the clipboard history feature of OneLaunch, it just keeps a record of all the things you copy on your computer. So it's super handy, so you never lose track of that. Sometimes you might copy numerous things in a row and lose track of that copy you made multiple copies ago. So that's where a clipboard history tool is super convenient. So right there, you can see the rectangular snip we just took, and you're able to just click it once, and you can see it's been copied for me. So I'm now able to paste that wherever I see fit, which is super convenient. Okay, we'll close that. We'll take another snip. So next to show you is the freeform. So this, let's say we want to outline me bottom left in the zoom. Oh, it's actually kind of tricky with my mouse, but I'm trying to make a circle around my face as best I can. And then done. I released my mouse click. Here flashed the record of the thing we've just copied. Let's open it, and there I am. And again, I could click copy and then paste it wherever I see fit. All right, let's do the third is a window snip. So literally, you can see the OneLaunch dock is a window option. The entire background is an option, or the Windows task tray I'm actually just going to close out of that. I'll show you as well. Let's click our weather option. So now you've got our AccuWeather site open here. And again, I could do a window snip of just the web page. So maybe you want to send a friend an image of the website you're on that you really like the design of. So simply click, and that's done. You'll see the flash again on the clipboard history, and there we are. Again, a window snip. And then the last example is the full screen. So you can see right now we've got the dock open, we've got the clipboard history open, we've got the AccuWeather site below me, and I'll just click full screen snip, and I'll open that up. You can see here, again, the full screen snip is there. And I've copied that. So it's a really convenient tool for our OneLaunch users, for you to be able to use a snipping tool. It's right at your fingertips, top right on the OneLaunch dock, to take screenshots and snips and send them wherever you see fit. So we really hope you find value in this feature, and let us know if you have any ideas for any other features you'd like to see the OneLaunch Technologies team develop. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.